This healthcare computer cart comes with valuable ergonomic features and design elements that are highly versatile and compact, including a height-adjustable articulating monitor arm, pneumatic height adjustment, speaker holder, and lockable caster wheels. Constructed with a large protective sneeze and cough guard, the acrylic shield is strategically placed to create an established barrier between the user and the patient client to help prevent the unnecessary spread of airborne germs. For more details, click the link in the video description.